Good morning, everyone. This is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia. Hopefully you guys having a good day out there. It's early morning here in Vietnam and probably late evening in America. So guys, hopefully you had your dinner and getting ready to settle in to have a great and fabulous day. You know, yesterday the markets were a little bit volatile. We saw a lot of red that was in the markets, and a lot of people are kind of panicking. They were thinking that this is another flash crash scenario. And you know, I just want to assure you guys that remember, this video is not financial advice. It's for educational purposes only and entertainment. And you know, one of the reasons that we saw all the volatility yesterday was because it was the Friday options expiration, and often we see volatility on Thursday leading up to that, and it played out exactly as predicted. So guys, don't panic. And I know a lot of you out there are seeing that right now the Dogecoin price yesterday, it went as high as 26 cents in the afternoon here in Asia, and then in the evening had dropped down to around about 23.5. So I know that a lot of you are probably disappointed and it's not looking so good and all that kind of stuff, but you guys just to rest assured that the bull run is not over, and I still think that we're going to see Dogecoin passing $1.30 soon. So you guys have to just keep calm. I know a lot of newbies out there. You guys are really panicking, and I just want to be very serious with you guys for a little bit and just reassure you that it's not all doom and gloom out there. When things go down a little bit, 5-10%, even 15% when we had that flash crash, it's not game over. And just to assure you that these are cycles, and keep in mind that September is often a very, very bearish month, and you're going to expect things to start dipping or even things to go sideways. So Bitcoin is still up compared to where lows were when we had that flash crash. So guys, I really wouldn't panic too much. And you've only got a couple of choices that you can do right now. You guys can either just sell at a loss, get out of the market. I would never recommend you do that if it's really driving you crazy. The other option is do absolutely nothing and just have diamond hands and be patient and wait. And the third option is if you have a stable coin on the sidelines, is you can just dollar cost average and buy your strike and reduce your strike price. So those are really the only options that you really can be looking at right now when the markets are volatile like this. But we're seeing that Solana is coming back. We're seeing that Avalanche is on fire, and we're seeing a lot of the other altcoins starting to pop right now. So guys, you just have to be prepared to ride the storm. There's going to be ups and downs, there's going to be peaks and valleys, but that doesn't mean that you guys have to panic and become all desperate. And remember, don't trade with emotion. This is really bad. So let's jump into the news. Before we do that, I just want to welcome some new subscribers and new members in the house. So right now we've got some new members in the house. We got Christopher, we got Shannon Cross, we got Kanma, we got Ben, and we got Lance. Guys, welcome, and thanks for joining and supporting the channel. I appreciate that. Some of the stuff that we got going on now, we got some new subscribers, guys. So if you haven't had time, please don't forget to tell the YouTube algorithm that you love this channel, and don't forget to smash the likes. Go down right there, there's a little icon that looks like this, and you want to smash it. So I just want to welcome some new subscribers in the house. Didu, Manuel, Hassan, Calm Me Down, Monasin, Mr. Nunez, David, and everyone else, if I forgot your name. Guys, just thank you for subscribing. Thank you for supporting the channel. And don't forget to subscribe right now. Smash that subscribe button. Do it right now. So, if we look at Dogecoin, we've got some really positive catalysts that are coming out for Doge right now. So, these are things that are happening behind the scenes. We have developments going on. So we have a new Doge Foundation that's happening, and they're working on development. We have the SpaceX is preparing to actually put a literal Dogecoin to the moon. We have more brands are looking for ways to support and incorporate Doge into the product and marketing campaigns. So that's happening. We have the Doge Foundation forming, so that's really, really positive. We have more new Doge nodes are coming online, so that's really going to help. We also have a lot of retailers as well who are looking for Doge to become a realistic solution for payment options. And then we also have the Ethereum bridge that's coming as well. So these are really bullish scenarios, and these are things that a lot of people are not talking about, and a lot of people only focusing on the price. So we have a really lot of really bullish things going on for Dogecoin. So as a community, remember what makes Doge very special is the community. And Doge is not only about, making profits, ups and downs. It's also the glue that binds this community. And so that's why you guys just need to stay strong during these negative times. So all I've got to say is, guys, stay positive. Dogecoin on the moon, and you guys need to spread a little bit of love, and this is what this channel is all about. So let's take a look at some more Doge related news right now. So we can see right now that Dogecoin makes another recovery above 25 cents. So we got pretty close to almost 26 cents yesterday, and then we got rejected because the bears took over and pulled us down. And that was not a singular event for Doge. That was because all the markets went down yesterday, and that was because of the expirations options coming online. And also too, remember in Hong Kong, we have this huge property company that is failing right now, and that's also going to be affecting the USTD stablecoin because apparently they have a lot of commercial paper tied up in that company. So that's also sending some jitters in the markets overall as well. So those are some of the mitigating reasons why we're seeing things go down yesterday. So Dogecoin loses its footing at 25 cents. So a recovery above 25 cents is really important. Dogecoin really needs to stay above 25 cents if the bulls are going to take control and move that higher. But holding that position proved to be impossible task. The digital asset only managed to maintain its hold above 25 cents for a couple of hours. And yesterday I created a couple of videos as we were starting to take off. We saw 3-4% green wicks going up for Dogecoin. And it was really disappointing. I was really disappointed that we saw, within 30, 40 minutes of us getting pretty close to 26 cents, we saw that Dogecoin collapse. And it collapsed because Bitcoin price was going down and all the other cryptos are going down as well. So, and the bears came knocking and successfully dragged the price down to its previous levels before Friday early morning. So, and I was really hoping that we could get a rally. But it looks like right now Doge right now is holding itself at 24 cents. So we're seeing a little bit of green here in Asia, and right now, remember, it's Saturday morning here. So hopefully we can recover from some of the losses, and I really think that we're going to see Doge probably get back up to 25 cents today here in Asia. And remember, we have this huge support line around about 23 cents. So it's not looking bad, guys. We're still above the lows. Above the lows that we had when we had that flash crash. Remember, we went as low as on this flash crash, we went as low as 21 cents. So, we've recovered considerably since then. And so it's not looking too bad. So, guys, don't be Debbie Downers. Don't be weak Nancy's. Guys, buckle up and stop being weak Nancy's. And you guys just have to toughen out the whole process here. So, right now we're seeing a nice green candle. The volumes are starting to pick up a little bit. So, hopefully we can get ourselves back up to 25 cents. I think it's possible to do it. And then we have this Elliott wave formation here that we can see here. And I think we're probably going to go sideways for a little bit, a couple more days, and then we're going to start to tick up. I mean, I'm still pretty sure that we're going to start knocking on the door of 30 cents coming soon. So this is really bullish news, and guys, please buckle up. Don't be negative Nancy's, guys. You just need to cheer up and stop being negative. So let's take a look at some other news, and then we'll take a look at the other broader markets in the house. All right, guys, so cheer up. So right now we can see that Bitcoin sees quite healthy consolidation on the 200 million BTC options expiry date. So you can see here that the total amount of options that expired on Friday was around about 200 million. And you can see that the number of leveraged positions that got liquidated is pretty small considering what we had when we had that flash crash, about 3.4 million. So we can see that in the last 24 hours we've had 85,943 people have been liquidated, and the largest liquidation is about 1.86 million. So we have about $274 million worth of liquidations in the market right now. And surprisingly, we saw also a lot of Solana liquidations, because I guess people were hoping that Solana would just continue going parabolic forever, but that really didn't happen. So that's one of the reasons why we're seeing a little bit of volatility yesterday. I mean, things are pretty much cooled off because those the options expirations are done and dusted, done like a donut. So guys, overall, don't panic. And you can see that Bitcoin is making very little progress over 47,000. It seems that we seem to be really consolidated and really range bound, and that's really a good thing. We're not breaking down to the same levels that when we had the flash crash. So overall, it's positive. You guys just have to, realize that, the Bitcoin price right now is, trading at 47,647. So it's pretty much where we were yesterday. We did go down a little bit, but overall we're still looking okay. We're still above the 21-day EMA, so that's really positive. That's really bullish, guys. And if we look at the 4-hour chart for Bitcoin, we've bounced back. Yesterday we had this drop yesterday. Now we seem to be painting a green candle, and we're at 47,650. I think this weekend, we're going to have a pretty much pump it up weekend for most of the cryptocurrencies. We're going to start to recover a little bit. We had the expirations that have ended. Remember, at the end of the month, we have a huge expirations coming to an end as well. So the end of the month, any expirations contract can often be exaggerated compared to the week-to-week, guys. And then we have also the next quarter reports coming out soon, so that can affect the price. But overall, things are looking pretty bullish for the weekend. We have this open funnel pattern, which is typically a very a bullish pattern. So I still believe that we're still looking to break past our 48,500 level soon. And you can see here that we did in fact break past that level once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. We had some strong rejection, but overall it's still looking good. And we broke out of this diamond pattern, which is pretty good. We legged up, and so could this be a kind of an S pattern that's going up? I think so. I think it's looking pretty positive. So some more news that's coming out right now is some other stuff that you guys can see right now is top 15 coins by trending search. So some of the top coins that are trending for Google search right now is BNB, Stellar, Gala, ETH, ADA, Solana, BTC, DOT. So these are some of the top projects that are being searched right now. So people are still looking at the old coins are very active there. Some of the top 15 projects, and this is basically the Galaxy score, and this is based on price, sentiment, social impact score, and correlation. And you can see that Doge is ranked number 4 in terms of the total sentiment, average price, and the social impact. So you can't discount the Doge, guys. So Doge is still looking pretty good, and this is pretty current September 17th September data here. So that's pretty good stuff, guys. So also, too, you can look at some of the Ethereum competitors. See, these are some of the leading competitors. This was updated just recently. So we have HBAR, EOS, Neo, Waves, and stuff like that. So overall, you guys just need to be positive and keep bullish, guys. Bitcoin is playing mind games as it price coils in a tighter range. So we can see that Bitcoin is really trading really within a tight range between 47,150 and 48,150, and this is pretty normal. A consolidation is healthy. Plan B is predicting a $43,000 Bitcoin to close for September. If we can do above that, then that's pretty positive. So where do I see Doge closing for September? I think Doge is going to close around about 35 cents. That would be my maximum call for September, and my lowest price target will be around about 28 cents. So that's where we could see Doge ranging in September. So guys, you just need to buckle up and don't panic. But we're still definitely in a bull run. The sentiment is still pretty positive. Other thing that we're looking at right now is it looks like Solana is making a comeback. Solana chart bull flag eyes $250 despite Solana price being down last week. So we saw that Solana dropped almost 40% last week, guys, and we hit a high of just over $200, but we have gone down. Right now, and Solana right now is trading at $148. So it's picking itself up right now, and we're seeing that. We have a bit of a green candle forming, so that's pretty good. And we can see that this is a clear bull flag that's formed right now. So here's the flagpole, and here's the flag itself in this direction on the daily time frame. So this is pretty bullish, a pretty bullish formation, and I believe that soon we're going to break up past our resistance of 155, and that's going to take us all the way back up to 200, and we should be heading up to $250 pretty soon. So I'm pretty confident that's how Solana is going to play out. So and we're seeing that a lot of that dip was attributed to the to the whole network outage. So that's the network's gone through an upgrade process. It's been patched, so we won't be able to have that DOS exploit. So what really happened is, we had computers that were just sending spam, and basically overloaded the servers and brought the servers down by, they were just being spammed. So that patch has been updated, and all the systems are back to normal now. So that's looking pretty bullish. Let's look at the fear and greed index right now. So we can see the fear and greed index is we've gone up from 48 to 50 compared to yesterday. So that's pretty bullish, guys. So overall, let's hope this continues and we move ourselves into the greed area, and things should be looking pretty peachy keen. If you look at the sentiment right now, we can also see that Bitcoin circulation rising quickly Wednesday, eclipsed its highest day over the 6 weeks. So what that means is that we have more and more new addresses that are being open, and we have more people buying Bitcoin. So that just means that we have more and more adoption, and and that's really a positive sign. So, guys, don't discount the cryptocurrencies. September is kind of lackluster, and it's kind of ups and downs. So just don't be scared, and things are going to be coming back and being really positive. So let's take a look at the Ethereum price. Right now, Ethereum is also painting some green right now, and it's up almost 0.5%, and it's trading at $3,414. So that's looking pretty positive, guys. Pretty positive. So let's take a look at Cardano. Cardano is also trying to break out of this descending trend line here, and hopefully we can get ourselves back up to $2.58. And I think we're definitely going to be coming back in the next couple of days. And I think this weekend is going to be looking like a huge crypto pump it up weekend, guys. So we're trading at $2.36 right now. Let's take a look at a VET in the house. VET is also it collapsed a little bit, but we're moving back into our Elliott wave formation. So if we look at that, we're still on track to hit between 13 and 12 cents. So that's looking pretty positive. Let's take a look at Solana in the house. We talked about that. It's forming this bull flag, and I believe that with this bull flag forming right now, that we could be moving ourselves up to see $250 coming in. So that's our overhead target right there. And I think that with this formation, we could definitely see a huge upside to Solana. So if you guys were able to buy yesterday when Solana had dipped down to a low of $132, so you've made some profit and you're back in profit. So, and if you guys bought here at the top, I wouldn't panic, because we see this overhead target of $260, and all we have to do is blow past the $155 target, and then the $200 target is pretty easy. And I think that we're going to hit those targets pretty quickly and pretty rapidly. So guys, don't give up on Solana. Don't panic, guys, and things are looking pretty good. So here's Avalanche is looking very bullish right now, and Avalanche is, it looks like it's printing all-time highs again pretty soon. So if you're an Avalanche, you're doing very well. So congratulations to those of my listeners who absolutely picked up Avalanche when I told you to, and you guys are making bankety bank right now. So let's take a look at the Doge in house. So right now, as I said, Doge is coming back right now. It's on the daily, on the 4-hour right now. We're up almost 1%, and we're at 24 cents. So I really see that Dogecoin is going to be passing $1, between $1 and $1.30 incoming, because if you look at the Plan B is forecasting $100,000 to $135,000 Bitcoin coming in. So if we just 4x if we 4x a Doge from here, that's around about $1.25. So I definitely believe that's absolutely possible during this bull run. Worst case scenario for Doge is that we hit 94 cents. So guys, I wouldn't panic. You just have to have diamond hands. Don't hodl. Absolutely don't panic sell. This is not something that you want to be doing. A lot of people are thinking about panic selling. Don't do that. This is a big mistake. Never sell any of your positions at a loss. This is absolutely a bad thing to do. This is not financial advice. But the worst thing you can do is just wait. I mean, it's just a matter of time. So let's say you have to wait till the end of 2022. So be it. But never ever sell at a loss, guys. This is really bad. So let's jump into the markets right now. So you can see that the total market cap right now is $2.8 2.18 trillion, and that's down from yesterday when we were at we hit a high yesterday of about 2.21 trillion. But the market's overall coming back right now, so that's pretty positive. And right now we're at 78.22 billion, and the Bitcoin dominance is gone up. So people were taking profits yesterday, and those profits, they've moved them back into Bitcoin right now. So hopefully that we'll see as the dominance comes down, people be more positive, more confident about the altcoins, and we'll start seeing that the flow of capital will move out of Bitcoin and move into the other cryptos soon. It's just a matter of time, so I wouldn't panic so much. And let's take a look at the coins right now. So right now we can see that Bitcoin is trading at 47,683, and that's down almost 1% from yesterday. Ethereum right now is at 3,421, and that's down 4.53% from yesterday's high. ADA is also down 2.65% from yesterday's high, and that's at $2.37. The BNB is also down 3.69% from its high, and that's at $410.85. Solana is at $148, and that's down only 1.47%. So Solana is absolutely fighting back, trying to make a comeback right now. So that's really positive news. Polkadot is now down 8%, almost 8% from yesterday, and that's at 33.48. And Doge is showing some remarkable recovery. Looks like the bulls are trying to take over, and I think we could see 25 cents incoming, definitely incoming for Doge today here in Asia. So it looks like this could be pretty much a Doge pump it up weekend. So that's pretty positive, and we're trading at 0.242, guys. And Avalanche is on fire. It's at $72.99, and that's up 9.23%. So if you're holding Avalanche, congratulations, guys. Looking pretty positive out there. So with that being said, guys, I just want to say, don't forget to go to my Twitter. Follow me right now. You know you want to do it. And if you're not getting any notifications, if you follow me on Twitter, you'll get all the notifications. Pretty lickety split. And guys, don't forget to tell the YouTube algorithm that you love this content, you love the OG, support the OG, smash the likes, subscribe right now, and go to all of my video descriptions. Remember, this is not financial advice. Check out my Linky Winky Winks, and check out Zen Music Addict right here. This is the wife's channel. I'm chilling for the wife. If you need to find your soul, you need to relax, just sit back, relax, and watch this channel, and really just de-stress and detoxify yourself. And don't forget to go to Patreon, support the channel, buy the channel coffee, www.kofi.com, Crypto Squad. Buy the channel coffee, guys. Become a channel member. That's really important that you do. Support the channel. Remember, all the memberships, all the Patreons, all the coffees you buy, all that goes to charity, guys. We're helping the orphans and helping to feed the homeless here in Vietnam. So remember, the OG's in lockdown now, 73 days. So once we get out of lockdown, and we can shoot that video that we promised that we're going to be shooting you, giving distribution. But so far we distribute about 500 kilos of rice as well, and done that via online mechanisms. So guys, don't forget to check out my merch. We got hats, we got hoodies, we got the polo shirt. I love the polo shirt, and we've got also non-clothing items. We got the mug. Get the mug, get the backpack, and get the pillow, guys. You're really gonna love it. And one final thing, guys, just want to say, God bless you all. Thank you for watching this content. I appreciate each and every one of you. This channel would be nothing without you guys. Thank you for all the support. God bless you. And this is the Ric Flair of crypto in the house. Woo! I'll see you in the next one.